Hey embroiderers out there, Michael from the Sewing Place, and today I wanted to talk about alphabets, fonts for your embroidery machines, especially for you PFAFF and Viking gals. Did you know that you literally have an unlimited selection of alphabets that you can use and create on your own? It's something that comes free with your machines, and it's part of the Creativate embroidery software. It used to be called MySewNet, and it has changed, and this is free. You get this when you buy your embroidery machine, and it connects with that, and it lets you create your own alphabets. Stay tuned, this is really cool. We start by going to the Creativate website and downloading the free software. Here I'm going to go into my tools section and launch my configure utility, and there I find my QuickFont wizard. I open this up and I'm going to be able to access every font that's built in my computer. And if that's not enough, you can go to the internet and find more fonts that you can use. It's just going to be endless. For our demonstration today, I'm going to use the Comic Sans font that's built into my computer. When I click the drop down at style, I get to see the different options for my fonts, whether it's regular styling, bold, italic, or bold italic. We have the option of coordinating this for our software or using it on a thumb drive that we can simply plug into our machines and use. That's what we're going to choose today, and of course you choose which machine you're using it for. Click the next button and it's off to the races. You'll notice that it generates the font and builds them in front of you. You can choose what size you want just by choosing the output size, and it will render those stitches as such. Here we're going to change the thread color, and built into the software are unlimited amounts of threads from nearly every manufacturer in the industry. We can find the manufacturer that we want to deal with from this expansive list, and then go to the quick colors to find that segment of the color chart. You can use twin needle settings, puffy foam settings. We have settings for using dual threads, 2 threads in 1 needle, wing needles, or even for the felting needle. The options are just at your fingertips. And just like that, we have the satin stitch font in the proportions and colors we want. Let's try a pattern fill. Pattern fill is not a satin stitch, it is individual needle stitches with textures. We can change those textures. The textures are unreal. We have tons of textures built in, from cross hatching to herringbones, even little kitty cats that are stamped into the fills. The choices just seem endless. Here we're going to choose this crosshatch design, click OK, and there we go. Stunning results. Next, we're going to do a pattern fill with a satin stitch border. I love this, it's just incredible. And all of our choices are still available. And now we have the choice as well to increase or decrease the satin stitch border. Next, we can simply do the satin border by itself with nothing on the inside. Another great option. We have Appliqué. So if we wanted to put fabric inside those letters, this has all of the steps available, and you can determine which method of appliqué you would like to do. It's just so easy to do. Now we're going to do an outline alphabet. Simple straight stitching, great for quilting. But we're going to do a satin stitch alphabet today. And once we put the alphabet into place, we click the next button and it will create this font. On the next screen, we can choose a new name for the font, and we can also give it a new place to be stored. And in our uses today, we're going to choose the USB drive. When I save that there, I will be able to take my thumb drive out, put it in my machine, and sew this font out just like I sew any of the other fonts. With the USB inserted into my machine, I go to my folder and choose my USB location. I push and hold on my font and it will bring up the typing keypad. Now we will type the word love, And of course we could use upper and lowercase. I'm using all uppercase today. I want to arch my font, so I choose my arching tool. Just that easy to do. Then I can space my fonts on the line with my spacing tool to determine how close or far apart I'd like them to be on my semicircle. And then I've decided that I want my font to be stacked in the same position. And with the touch of a button, my letters are all in the upright position. Whether you're new to embroidery or a seasoned pro, QuickFont is a program that just will enhance all of your embroidery processes. Stop by the sew-in place and let us demonstrate this fantastic software to you.